In a quiet coastal town, a young innovator named Aria builds homemade wind instruments from recycled metal and driftwood. Each morning, she tunes her gear by watching the tides, collecting sounds from gulls, waves, and wind. Her talent emerged when a friend challenged her to turn scraps into music, and she practiced for years. Through performances at shelters and schools, Aria sparks creativity, teaches resilience, and shows how art can unite communities. Facing weather, funding, and skepticism, she perseveres by documenting experiments and inviting others to improvise. Her journey proves small, crafted sounds can reshape a town, not